Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install PaperCharge EV Access with EV Connect easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, visit the EV Connect website. Create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button. Enter your personal information, including name and email address. Choose a secure password and confirm it. Once your account is created, log in to the EV Connect dashboard. Navigate to the Installations section on the dashboard. Click on the Add New Installation button. Fill out the installation details, including location and charging station type. Select the PaperCharge option from the payment settings. Review the pricing structure and set your rates accordingly. Upload any necessary documentation or permits required for installation. Confirm the installation details and submit your application. You will receive a confirmation email once the application is processed. Next, wait for the installation team to contact you regarding scheduling. Once scheduled, prepare the site for the installation. On the day of installation, ensure easy access to the site for technicians. After installation, access your dashboard to configure station settings. Test the payment functionality to ensure it works as expected. Promote your new charging station to encourage usage. Check the dashboard regularly for usage statistics and revenue reports. Keep your EV Connect account updated with any changes to your charging station. That concludes the tutorial on installing PaperCharge EV Access with EV Connect. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.